Hi everyone, in this short video I want to talk about what panel lottery is, how this affects you, and which TV manufacturers are practicing this, and how it is actually very detrimental to a consumer buying an expensive item. So what exactly is panel lottery? So panel lottery is when you're buying a TV and let's say the manufacturer specifies that it's a VA panel, but instead of a VA panel, you get an IPS panel. Both are very different panels. They have different pros and cons, but the manufacturer supplied that to you because they themselves don't know which panel they're getting. This occurs online very easily, and and some of the companies that are practicing this is Samsung, LG, and to a large degree Hisense as well. So please be careful before you buy any of these, and the well documented cases are with Samsung OLED. So Samsung manufactures their OLED as well as contracts to LG that has OLED, and Samsung has qd-oled. So that's quantum dot OLED, which is a variation of OLED, and the other variation is OLED, which LG manufactures. In case of LG started off in 2024 when they started switching their IPS panels to VA panels, and in VA panels they started contracting to other companies. And this chart, although it is old, this shows exactly who manufactures and what. If you look at LG, you are looking at China Star, you're looking at HKC Display. LG Display is there, but a very little portion of it. BOE is there. So these are essentially the contractors they lent out to. And in Samsung's case, also a lot of OEM manufacturers are involved. TCL, on the other hand, China Star, that's CSOT, China Star Optoelectronics. That's their company. So most of the manufacturing is done by TCL. Samsung also, there's CSOT, a major chunk of it is manufactured by them, and HKC Display as well as BOE and AU. So please be careful before you buy any of LG LEDs or Samsung OLEDs. Now the brands that I've mentioned, these are the top brands, as you can see from the table. There's Samsung, LG, Hisense, TCL, and that's it. These are actually brands that own their own panel manufacturing and which type of panel they manufacture. So in my opinion, you should always stick to these brands, and whichever technology you're going for, you should go with that brand which they specialize in. If you're looking for OLED, you should go with LG. If you're looking for QLED in VA, you should go with Samsung. If IPS is something you're interested in, then LG. Hisense, again, your quantum dot LED, mini LED also they do. TCL, you can go with VA panels or mini LED with VA panels. So most of them are VA if you're talking about LCD LED technology, but only LG goes with IPS and OLED. So apart from that, you can look at other brands, but since they don't manufacture their own panels, they might be more expensive than these manufacturers.